Go. All right, we're here at 64 Regency Drive for Isabel Estrada, IRREPARABLE, and now with only the roof snake. Let's see if we can do this repair. Here's our wind damaged shingle. There's a lot of pollen out right now. I am allergic. All right, we have damage right here. Nail pull through. Another pull through. This is the spot right here that had the pull through, so you can see it damaged the fiberglass mat. So luckily this is the shingle we're moving out. However, right here it did the same thing on 5C. So the nail pulled through right here and tore the shingle fiberglass mat. And that was just, you know, being careful. These shingles are showing that they're brittle and old. Okay. Now we can't use the same nails, but we'll use the same thickness and length, I mean. So there's the same length, but we're going to use these orange coated lumen nails. Can't go that way, so I gotta go this way. Can't use the same hole is what I'm saying. Okay. There you see, right next to the old hole. See right here, this is the problem. I can see it now. This crease that started, the pollen's helping really outline that. There is actually a crease right here that's starting, and that's because no matter roof snake or hammer or nail gun, this is an old brittle shingle. No matter what you use or how good you are, good only gets you so far. So you can't attack the roofer and say there's a lack of willingness or a lack of skill and that more skillful roofers could do it, because that's not the problem. It's not that the roofer is unskilled, it's that the roof is not repairable. How do we take that out of their wheelhouse to just well, they want us to use gimmicky tools or slow down. I'm fine with slowing down and doing something right. I always prefer it that way. But there's a certain point where showing you that I'm going slow, I'm being careful, I'm using tools that have no excuse now for I'm lifting the shingles too high, and it's still doing what it was doing before, which is the shingles breaking. We have clear signs of it because we've been video recording the whole thing and we have pictures before and after. And now we have definitive proof and evidence that no matter what we do, how we do it, this roof is not going to pass repairs. Last one. And there you go.
You want the camera?
Yes. So, look at all that granular loss now, starting from this corner. That was not there. All this gone now. Not there. This starting right here and all that. That used to not be like that. So these shingles are breaking now. 3 shingles for every single time we tried to do this. Not to mention, we have that valley liner and the way the shingle, the valley, is weaved. They interlock. We can't repair the damages in the valley liner without affecting both liner and additional shingles.